Finn, can you start ripping off the paper? Okay. Open up the wrapping paper. What did Finley get from Santa Claus? Let's see. It's a
tea set.
A tea set.
Yay!
Wow. And let's see what I got.
Well, let's see. Oh yeah, this one's from Mommy and Daddy to Maddox.
Okay, let me open it.
You got a tea set. You want me to open it?
Is that a basketball?
It's a big one this time. A real one. The other one's small, right? Wow. There you go, Finn. Here, Mommy.
Get another one, baby.
All right, let me hand them out to see who. Wow, Finley, look at
I
that.
have one again.
Let's see, this one was from Granby Maddox.
What'd you get, Finley? Oh, pretty.
Now let me tell you, Maddox, this gift was from Granby. She bought this for you before she passed away. She really wanted you to have it. She thought you'd like it. Okay? All right. A football! Yay, Granby! Every time you play football, you can think of Granby, huh? Yeah. All right. A football. See, we can put them like that.
It's
Wow,
definitely
Finley's going to have
a
a tea
basketball and a football. Awesome.
And here's the spoons. Let's see what else there is under that tree. There's lots of stuff. Then they just gave me over some.
Thingy,
There's
go.
spoons. Let me see.
Open.
Okay, this one is to Finley from Mommy and Daddy.
And this one is to me.
Let me see. Yep. From Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you. What did you get, Finley?
What is it? What
Look
is
at
it?
it's a.
What
Say
is
thank you.
Is it lip gloss?
Can you say thank you? Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that?
Oh, so what this is there's subtraction learning cards, and it has a dry erase marker so you can write on them and then erase it so you can learn how to subtract.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome, my sweet boy.
Is there any else?
And Finn, should we open this one up?
Why don't you look in your stocking?
Oh yeah, you guys have stockings too.
Pull it off.
Now
Pick it up.
be careful.
Whoa!
No. Careful, careful. Here, Finley.
Stickers.
Yeah. Now that one, Maddox, that one's for you, but the other one is for Finley. Can you get it down without? Don't pull the thing down. Just lift the.
Just pick it up. Pick it up. Yep.
You've got nail polish, and this is lip gloss. For you.
Hattie.
Hattie. You got stickers.
Okay. Let Mama help you, Finn.
All right. Open up your thing, Mother.
Hattie, goodness sakes, Hattie, come on. Okay. And then we'll put your lip gloss and nail polish over here, okay? It's even sparkly. Here, Ben, you want to put some on? Here, Finley.
What's this? What's this?
Oh,
Look
it
what
looks like it's a little...
Look what I got, Finley.
Wow.
There, Finley has pretty lipstick on now. Lip gloss. Okay, Finn, let's see.
Ah!
Oh, boy.
Jellyfish.
Let's see what else is in here, Finn. This one's for you.
Holy
Wow, look at Finley's. She got one too.
Finley, what?
Look at
Lollipop.
That's the biggest pea pop I've ever seen.
That's a humongous one. That'll last all year long.
I really did get a card, but that's
Finn, there's more in here. Finn,
She get a card?
she got, let's see. Oh, she didn't get a card.
Oh,
Jelly
that's for your balls to blow them up so they get when the air comes out.
Yeah, we have to blow up the balls when they get low. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Ooh, pretties. Should we put one in your hair now since it's in your face?
Anything else?
What else, Finn? There's something there.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this, okay?
Alright, that's fine. Oh, you got new sticky gloves.